Hey guys, Jonathan, esthetician with Dr. Emer in West Hollywood. Today we are doing a very special facial on my client here. We are doing a EMERAGE facial combined with a diamond glow, also known as a dermal infusion. Right now we are prepping the skin with the nude stick makeup melt, which is a combination of rosehip, apple, and oranges. It's a great way to help remove any kind of makeup, dead skin cells on the skin. Tell me, how does it smell?
It smells really nice.
Yeah, it smells amazing, right?
Yes.
I don't even wear makeup, and I kind of just use this because I love the smell of it.
Yeah, I kind of might. No, I literally don't wear anything.
Yeah, right, but you just want to go through the experience and kind of smell the rose hips and the oranges, right? But
It's a good combo.
yeah, right now we are prepping the skin to kind of help soften the pores and get better in the exfoliation process when I do the dermal infusion. Right after this, we're going to go ahead and clean the skin with the foaming polish by Dr. Emer. It's a foaming polish which is very lightweight. It does a great job in removing oils, dead skin cells, and any kind of pollutant that might be on the skin that was left on through the day.
I'm gonna readjust the headband if you need me to.
Oh, yeah. No, it's perfect.
Okay.
Yeah, it's great. You're doing great.
Thank you. I try.
Jonathan, we have some Spanish coming in.
Díganme, toda mujer debería poder tener acceso a todo eso. Claro, podemos enviarle el producto en cualquier parte del mundo. Si están aquí en los Estados Unidos o en otras partes del mundo, le podemos enviar, le podemos hacer una consulta virtualmente. She pretty much asked, every woman should have access to these kind of facials. We could definitely do virtual skincare consults. We ship the products worldwide, so if you're in any country, we can ship you the product. Díganme de qué países son. Can you talk about what you're doing today? Like
me?
Yeah, your games and stuff.
Oh, you mean the field hockey stuff?
Yeah.
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 So I'm hiring field hockey today. It's gonna be a U21 men's test match. There's a small series going on between the United States, Chile, and Mexico. It's been going on for the last couple days and will continue for the next 2 or 3. And basically, they're just playing each other to practice since no one's really had anything for the last year or so.
Oh, that's good. So
Yeah.
you're able to keep up, their skills and.
Yeah, exactly. So, and there's hockey throughout the Americas, but particularly the United States, it's mostly women's. So the men's team in particular, they have to usually go outside to play. So this one is partly between Chile and Mexico, as I said. But like Canada has a good team, Argentina does. It's all over.
I just watched the Surfing Cup in El Salvador.
Ooh.
Yeah, that was really good.
Nice.
Can you talk to us about the foaming polish that you use?
Yeah, so currently I am using the foaming polish by EMERAGE Cosmetics. It's a very gentle cleanser that's going to help to really clean the skin, get rid of any kind of dead skin cell oil. It helps to prep the skin before you apply any kind of active, like any serum or moisturizer. Right now we're going to do a little steam on our patient and help soften her pores. So when we do the diamond glow, we get better exfoliation with the skin.
Okay, and for those of you that may need a consult with us, we can send you stuff virtual. We could do a virtual consultation and ship you products if you're not local to us in West Hollywood, California. Or you can get a consultation with us and come see us. You can do that at emeragecosmetics.com. Or you can send us a DM with your full name, email, and phone number. We can get you with one of our providers or Jonathan himself. We'll be happy to talk to you.
Yeah, I mean, this is a facial that you're going to experience no kind of downtime. We're going to pretty much clean out the pores. We're going to help prep the skin. In this case, our client spends a lot of time out in the sun, so we're gonna pretty much give her a good refreshed feeling. I mean, she already has really pretty skin, so we're gonna go ahead and just increase the moisture and just make it prettier.
Some Spanish, please.
Para remover las estrías, por favor hagan una consulta con nosotros en EMERAGE Cosmetics y le podemos mirar qué tipo de estrías tiene y le podemos hacer un tratamiento adecuado para su tipo de piel. Si quieren asegurar, si están aquí en Los Ángeles, por favor vengan a hacerse sus faciales porque si quieren limpiar la piel y no tener puntos blancos, negros, es una buena manera para tener la piel bien hidratada y darle un brillo bien bonito a la piel.
What was that in English?
Yeah, so pretty much I said that if you want a really hydration, if you want hydration, glowy skin, make sure you guys book your facials on EMERAGE Cosmetics. This is a facial that has no downtime. So you can pretty much come in, takes about 30 minutes to 1 hour and kind of just go about your day right after. We do have the options if you have, more damage on the skin, like any pigmentation damage or acne, scarring, or textural issues, we could definitely prep you with a good treatment plan with either a combination therapy, combining it with some peels or laser sessions with Dr. Emer. But you definitely always want to prep your skin with the peel, do a laser, and continue doing peels right after to keep on exfoliating the skin and give the skin that nice glow and that nice appearance that it has right underneath.
So what's going to be the next step of our facial?
Our next step in the facial is going to be the exfoliation process. So here right now we are prepping our machine. So when we do the exfoliation, this is going to fill up and kind of give you all the whiteheads and the blackheads that we're exfoliating. And pretty much it's in a loop suction pneumatic chamber, which is going to pretty much travel through these tubes right here and throw all the waste jar and the blackheads into that jar. So this is a great way to clean out your pores, no downtime. It treats acne, fine lines and wrinkles, whiteheads, blackheads, dry skin. It helps to prep your skin for any kind of laser. I like to combine this with either the Aero laser or maybe the Clear and Brilliant. You could do that either with our nurses here. But it's a great way to kind of help give you that result when it comes down to treating oily skin, pigmentation. In this case, our patient doesn't need all that, doesn't need so much combination therapy. So we're pretty much just going to do the facial along with some mask in there to kind of help repair her skin and hydrate her skin. Make sure you guys visit EMERAGE Cosmetics to book your consultation and to book your facial. Oh, this is going to be pretty right here. So right here the patient has a small little scab here that was left over from some acne. So pretty much the machine is going to come up and pick this up and remove it. And voila, it's gone. Now the skin is very acceptable to receive the serums that we're going to put in right after, along with some red light therapy and some blue light therapy, which is good for oily skin and acne, along with some oxygen to help hydrate and moisturize the skin. Turn left for me. Do we have any questions?
Can this be used on pregnant women?
Oh yeah, if you're going through a pregnancy, we are definitely able to customize the type of serums that we're using. So in this case, we have two serums. We have a Lomixil serum, which is good for any kind of pigmentation, discoloration, acne scars, post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, or any kind of pigmentation on its own. Right here we have our acne solution, which is the salicylic acid-based solution that helps with oily skin, redness, broken capillaries. So yeah, so if you're, going through a pregnancy, we can definitely customize the serums and help find the right serum for you. Either maybe a hydration serum, either maybe a vitamin C serum. But yes, all the treatments are definitely customizable. How you doing? Do you feel anything? Any pain or discomfort?
No, it actually feels really nice.
Perfect. Yeah, I mean, there's no kind of pain whatsoever when you do these type of facials. I'm really good at extractions, so I make sure that my patients experience no type of discomfort. I know sometimes people do extractions and it's a little painful.
How often would you recommend this getting done?
You can do this every 3 to 6 weeks on your skin. If it's someone has, really congested skin, tons of breakouts, acne problems, a lot of dead skin, you could even do this weekly. Combining it with some lasers, you get the beautiful result. Just really depends on your downtime and pretty much how much you're able to take off, but like I said, there's no downtime with this type of facial, so you can pretty much come in and just go about your day right after.
What's this say, John?
I have no idea. That's not Spanish.
So wants to know, how much do our facials cost, Jonathan? So
We have different prices for our facials. I would recommend for you guys to book a consultation on emeragecosmetics.com, and we can kind of set up an adequate treatment plan for your skin. Every skin type is different. Sometimes people need dermal infusion come out with the chemical peel, dermal infusion come out with the laser. We do tons of oxygen facials that start off about $250 for an oxygen facial. So there's different types of treatments that we can kind of set up for your type of skin. The Diamond Glow treatment is one of our more essential treatments that we do here in the practice, but it's definitely customizable for everyone. So currently we're about to do the nose. Turn right for me. So, here our patient has little blackheads here, so we're going to pretty much exfoliate the skin using our pore clarifying solution. That's pretty much cleaning out her pores and using a salicylic acid based solution that's going to help prevent any acne or anything like that from forming. I highly recommend for people to keep up with their facials every 4 to 6 weeks because it just maintains and keeps your skin looking youthful. If you don't really have many skin concerns, having a good skincare regimen is very crucial for the skin to help prevent any kind of aging or damaged skin or redness. If someone's not applying the right type of serum and it has redness, applying the wrong serum can kind of give you more damage. Here at Dr. Emer's practice, we make sure that we use medical grade skincare along with EMERAGE Cosmetics to help boost and kind of treat anyone's skin. Any more questions?
No more questions right now. Is this used on other parts of the body, like face and your neck and chest with this?
Yeah, we could definitely do neck, décolleté. We could do back facials, so if anyone has any kind of oily skin on the back or any acne on the back, we could definitely do a back facial with this. We could do pretty much any area that has any dead skin or any active acne or breakouts.
Now, what products that we sell are great for breakouts and maintaining the skin?
We have our nude stick glycolic toner, which is really good to help tone the skin right after you cleanse the skin. We have our Acne Forte, which is by a BPO, which is a spot treat to pretty much help treat acne. You're able to combine it with the AOXC and the Hyla B to keep moisture and hydration on the skin. When you're using acne products, sometimes they can be a little drying and a little irritating for the skin. So we want to make sure you give the skin a nice base, and that's prepping it with a very, gentle and moisturizing serum like hyaluronic acid. And right after that, you would want to put your actives, like either glycolic acid cream, You know, you could do refit face if you have any kind of redness or any kind of dry skin or fine line and wrinkle. And definitely combine it along with other acids as well. But you definitely want to go ahead and book a consultation on EMERAGE Cosmetics, either with myself or one of our treatment coordinators to kind of help you find the right type of skincare plan or skincare regimen.
All right, Jonathan. So if I'm pregnant, it's recommended once a month, and it's not dangerous to use salicylic acid?
We won't be using salicylic acid. We're going to be using hyaluronic acid, where hyaluronic acid is a plumper. It helps hydrate the skin, treat fine lines and wrinkles, dry skin. Hyaluronic acid, you know, our body naturally produces hyaluronic acid, so it almost looks like a drink of water for your face.
How many treatments would it take for thick skin and super oily skin?
For very thick skin, oily skin, you know, I would have to see your skin and kind of make a recommendation that way. But usually, you know, we want to do a treatment package anywhere from 3 to 6 treatments every 4 to 6 weeks. And if you have oily skin, it's very important that, you know, you tone right after you cleanse. So either using, you know, the foaming polish or, you know, our Faith Lame Lavo Gel Cleanser, you know, right after that, we want to go ahead and help tone the skin, either using the New Stick Glycolic Toner or our Ref Skin Beauty Enhancing Spray, which is a 2% salicylic acid. But, I mean, you definitely want to help control oil production on the skin, and a toner usually helps to really help control that. So here, you know, we're able to see pretty much some dead skin cells that we've been able to take out from the skin. You want to go ahead and zoom in into that? Yeah, so in there we have white cells, blackheads, whiteheads. We're going to see the little scab right here that we removed from the skin. So now that we pretty much finished doing the dermal infusion, we're going to go ahead and see if we need to do any kind of extraction on any area. If we don't, we're going to go ahead and jump into the high frequency, which is another cleansing way to kind of help tone and help get rid of the little bumps that we have on the skin. She has a little pigmentation issue there, so we're going to go ahead and switch our solution. So we went from using our oily skin and acne solution to using our skin brightening solution, which is a little mixer solution that helps to brighten the skin and treat any kind of discoloration. In this case, we're going to be using it on the chin to kind of help brighten the pigment on the chin.
Are chemical peels safe this time of year with summer, or should they wait till summer
Chemical
is
peels
over?
are done worldwide. You know, we have peels that are in about 60 different countries that experience more heat than we do. The thing with the chemical peel is that we want to make sure that you avoid any kind of sun exposure while you're red and while you're peeling. So that could be anywhere from 5 to maybe 14 days, you know, 21 days, just really depending on the type of peel we do. So it's very important that, you book a consultation so we find you the adequate treatment plan and get you the customized skincare regimen. So everyone's skin is different. You know, we have stay-at-home moms that are able to do peels at home, and we also have, you know, patients who are out in the sun a lot. So it just really depends. I have a patient that, you know, is outside for a living and is able to take maybe 4 days off of work. So it comes in on a Thursday, you know, the peeling should be, you know, subsided by Tuesday or Wednesday. And then you're also able to do Aerify, where Aerify is a very non-abrasive peel. It's more of a survival mask that's going to help tighten up your pores, brighten your skin. If anyone has any type of mild acne, it also helps to dry out any kind of acne. But Aerify is a great alternative for someone that doesn't really want to do a peel during the summer. There's pretty much no downtime with Aerify, but it's a great way to help tighten your pores, brighten your skin, and treat any kind of breakout. So make sure you guys visit EMERAGE Cosmetics to get your Aerify kit. I'm telling you guys, it's going to be one of the biggest products pretty soon this year. you know, the combination of verify is beautiful. It has TCA, some phytic acid, some lightening ingredients in there. So it's a great way to kind of help maintain your skin, you know, in between those larger treatments. Any kind of tingling or anything?
No.
Perfect. Now, right now we have the skin really nice and exfoliated, so we're gonna go ahead and do some high frequency.
Okay, guys, here's all the dead skin cells, dead pores, whiteheads, blackheads that did come out. Right there, check that out. That is all out of her skin.
I love this thing. This is called high frequency, and it's pretty much designed to help kill any kind of oil, bacteria on the skin. It helps to get rid of any kind of bumps or redness. It's using something called argon gas that's gonna pretty much help to clear up the skin. Doing okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You feel anything?
Not really.
Yeah, you pretty much don't feel anything with this.
Yeah.
Turn right.
Sorry.
Now, what is this buzzing sound we hear, Jonathan?
This is pretty much the frequency from the wand that's pretty much disinfecting any kind of pore that we extracted, any kind of redness that's going to help to reduce the redness and help tighten up those pores. But in this case, we're pretty much cleaning up and it's almost like toning the skin. It's just pretty much tightening your pores, closing up your pores. And it helps to reduce redness and bumps. So it's a great tool to do in a facial. I feel that if this is not done in a facial, you're not getting the right type of facial.
So now what are we gonna do, Jonathan?
So right now we're doing our biocellulose mask. That's pretty much going to help to infuse vitamins and nutrients into the skin. It's going to feel a little cold, okay?
Perfect.
How does this feel?
Really nice.
Good. And then one of my beauty secrets in doing a mask like this, it's infusing oxygen over it. So the oxygen, what this is doing is pretty much infusing the vitamins that are on the skin to pretty much infuse into the skin to help hydrate and moisturize your skin. How does it feel?
Cool.
Right. So, when you're doing an exfoliating facial, we want to make sure that we cool down the skin by doing something that's going to help moisturize and hydrate the skin right after.
Now, what steps are left in our facial after this?
Right after this, we're going to finalize the facial with AOHC by EMERAGE Cosmetics, which is a 20% vitamin C, along with some blueberry extract, which is going to help brighten up the skin, give her that nice dewy glow that we like. Right after that, we're going to be using the Hyla B, which is hyaluronic acid, in 4 different molecular weights. That's going to hydrate, plump up pores, and kind of treat any fine line and wrinkle. And then we're going to apply our Refit Face, which is the moisturizer, which is pretty much a bio growth factor cream that's pretty much going to help reduce redness, hydrate the skin, and then along with some other little goodies that we have in store for her, like the Nude Stick Lip Balm, which is some shea butter and avocado. It's one of my personal favorite lip products because it pretty much helps to lock in moisture onto the skin. It's really at a really good price. But the hydropeptide lip butter, it's a definite must in everyone's regimen.
All right, Jonathan, thank you very much.
Make sure you guys visit EMERAGE Cosmetics and swipe up to book your treatment.